Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Happy Monday. Today is a good day, right? Today is a good day in the neighborhood. Today is a good day to do good, right? To do good by people and all that good stuff. To love others and be good to yourself. Yeah, guys. So, I wasn't doing anything but sitting here having some tea and going over like my checkbook because she's been a little naughty. Not real naughty, but I know I could have did way worse, but I didn't. So let me know on this Monday, what are you guys doing? And I just wanted to make sure this wasn't peeling off because I'm drinking some really hot tea. But I don't think we got a chance to well, not really like a chance, but I didn't tell you guys what my girlfriend got yesterday from the bins. She actually did really, really good. And she said her husband was like, oh my God, I can't believe like all the things that she found and really like what she found at the prices and stuff. She's really like me. She's very eco-friendly. So her whole thing is she wanted to change out her curtains because she's been here and she just loved the way I had everything. And I just shared with her where I got things from. And she was like, she had to visit the store. So that was her reason for going. So she bought curtains. She got a chair for $10 because if you spent $50 for $5 bin things, you got to get a $10 item. Like I said, I was gonna get something and I just said no, and I didn't spend enough. Not the first time or the second time. So, and then I don't need nothing. Not like that. If I would have seen like one of those circle ottoman trays, I would have got that. But yeah. So she got curtains, all 100% cotton curtains. She got shower curtains. What else did she get? The chair for $10. She got candles, but like I said, the first time I didn't get a candle the first time. She did, so she had to pay $5 for hers. But when we went back again, we got them for $2, so I got 2. And what else did she get? She got a couple of she bought her husband a shirt. She bought her some pants. What else? All I know is that she got a lot of stuff. So I think she told me altogether she spent like $120, but she got plenty of things because I helped her carry her bags to her porch, so she got like lots of stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all like some insight on what my friend found and how happy and pleased she was. She told me, she said, Sonia, I ain't never going to them other stores. And I don't blame her. Like, why would you? That doesn't even make sense. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to take y'all around the house a little bit to show y'all where I put stuff. So as y'all can see, these are the curtains from out of the other room, from out of the family room that I placed in here. So let me see if I can like show y'all, like take y'all through everything. So yeah, this looks so much better because as you guys probably remember, these curtains were the ones that was in here before was floods. So I didn't want no more flood curtains in here. So I think this looks so much better, guys. And then I think I have something else that I might do in here. And then in the bathroom, let me just show y'all the hold on. Show y'all where's the here's the black thing. It looks really, really good in here. I love it, love it, love it. Like I told you, we don't have lots of soap. That's the black soap, and that's that bee stuff. What is that? That Be Kind stuff. And then a lot of y'all was asking me about the shower curtain. Why do I have one here? Y'all look how cute that looks with the black. So somebody was saying, why do I have 2 shower curtains? Let me share some with y'all. Y'all, Mark is a clown, okay? And he has scared me so many times with busting in the bathroom, or he'll sit in here and I don't know nobody's in here, and he has took the shower curtain and like flick it real quick and scared the living daylights out of me. So that is the reason why that there's 2 shower curtains. It's been like that for a while. So yeah, guys. So hopefully y'all like that. And then let me see, where else can we go? I need to turn these lights out. I'll leave that one on. But I put these curtains that was in the office in here. So that's how see how that looks better? They're let me see. They're more fluffier. Sorry y'all if it's really dark here. But I got like 2 of the same panels, and these were the flood ones that were in the back room. So I just think it looks better. in here like that. And let me see. And then I put the newer ones over here. So you guys can, let me see if I can turn some light on so you guys can see. So yeah, how it looks better like that. That looks very much better to me. And then, like I said, on these two curtains, they're just thicker curtains. And then I'll take you guys in the back so I can show you. Oh, let me show y'all too. Let me turn this light on because y'all probably really can't see me. But I'm gonna turn this light on to show you guys all the items that I have to get out of here for Friday. So all these bags, guys, most of the stuff that I was buying was not for me. All these bags are going to everybody on or before the gosh, what am I trying to say? Before Friday. So yeah, and then let's go in here and then I'll show you guys. Let me turn some light on for you to be washed out really dark. So those curtains. So now I have two sets. So these were the ones that were in the living room and I bought them in here and now they're together. They're all uniform now. So you see how it goes, how things is working out for me. So yeah, I'm loving the fact that every time I go, there's always something. Why do we got that glare? There's always something that I can need and I can use and I switch out. It's like he's divine order is what I'm trying to say. It's like divine order in my life and I appreciate that. So my next goal, like I said, somebody was like, they want to see me do a DIY ottoman, not an ottoman. I'm talking about a tray. These items are so big and they don't look right on this tray. So that is my goal, is to get a round circular tray so I can put all these big items on. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I am going to be heading out. It's around 3:30, I think. And I think I need to get out of here. I'm going to make a stop somewhere. And if I'm able to come back, I'll come back. And then too, I think my daughter said she was going to come over here too. Oh, let me show y'all something. Y'all need to let me know something. I'm having a struggle here. Hold on. Not a struggle, but I just want to show y'all. Do y'all see how beautiful these came out? Look at that. How awesome is that? So I got all three of them. Y'all, I'm going to end up removing this because it doesn't go. I'm going to bring the clock down. My whole thing was I wanted to put these like that, going down in a row. So I don't know. And then I'm going to show you another place that I want to put them. All right, guys, I want to show y'all. So do y'all see how beautiful the detail of this is? It's so, so pretty. Like, look at the wood. It's really, really nice. So this is my idea, y'all. Let me know. I'm kind of wanting to put this in here. I want to do like this, like in the center. I want to do like 3 because I do want to put this piece of, I don't want this hanging here anymore. I want to put a plant in here that hangs and set it on here. And then there's a plant in the bedroom with the 3 little legs on it. I want to put it like on the second shelf. So let me know what y'all think, because y'all don't really let me know when I ask y'all. Even though I have my own idea, I still would like to get some of y'all's feedback because you guys do have great ideas. So let me know in the comments that should I place this shelf here in the office instead of in the kitchen, because that already has a shelf and I kind of like, even though it's wood and it's gonna kind of like balance it off a little bit, I think this balances more in here because I can have a backdrop in my office, especially when I want to do like videos. But the main goal is to bring balance in this room instead of it being like nothing but just this and the curtains. I want to be something another element in here, and then I can able to be putting like my pictures, degree, and all that kind of stuff on here for display. And I just think it's nice. So let me know in the comments. I really, really like this, guys. This to me was a great find. Like, it was in the box and it had all the pieces. So I'm really, really like grateful for this. So let me know, where do you guys think I should put this? Do you think that's a great idea to put it in the office, or do you think I should put it behind over there by the laundry area, which I don't know. I don't think I should. I think I should put it in the office. I think it really looks great. So yeah, I would really like to know you guys feedback on that, and let me know. Okay. So guys, I'll probably see you later. If I don't, Please remember to love yourself so you can love others, and this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys. Like I said, if my daughter stops by and I can get this video up to y'all, you know, I'll do that. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye. You're getting on my nerves. I told y'all. Told y'all how she don't act right, do you?
No, I do act right, but you're not gonna insult me and then expect me.
I did not insult you. And then look at this disrespect.
How?
You got get your feet off my front, girl.
I like to sit like this when I'm at home.
Oh, you ain't at home, honey. You at Buckingham Palace.
I am at home.
So guys, she said, put these in the office. I'm still gonna see what you guys say, and yeah. But look at her. What's the problem? So here's your bag. Here's your bag.
I'm about to deal with you.
You want some money?
Yep. You gonna give me some money?
Mm-hmm. Y'all. She got to go.
Yeah, I gotta go. We about to eat dinner.
She about to eat a little something with me.
I look crazy because I gotta finish the ends of my hair. And
all right, tell her to be good people. Bye, because I don't want this video too long.
Y'all better like and comment on subscribe on my mom's channel, because if not, we're coming with the cat. Get the cat.
Don't be doing that. Don't do that. Y'all, we not doing none of that. But
it's a joke.
Yeah, guys.
I'm pretty sure they probably seen that video and it's that song when they be like, get the cat.
Y'all, if y'all know what she's talking about, okay? Because I don't know. But I'll see you guys. Bye. Tell them bye.
See y'all. Hope y'all have a blessed Christmas. Happy New Year's. Again, everything is not about gifts. Sometimes it's better to give. You don't even have to give. Just be nice to somebody.
All right, y'all. I'm about to end this video. Bye, y'all. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I just wanted to show y'all a clip of something that I rode past. I thought it was very beautiful. And if I didn't cut it short with my daughter, I would have never got able to put this in the video. But I hope you guys enjoy this. It's very beautiful. Be blessed.